Hi, welcome to Jade classes. This is MONIDEEPA once again. Today we shall cover up laterite soil from class 10 ICSE geography book, chapter Soil Resources. Stay tuned. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is also known as residual soil. Why? Because it lies in its place of origin over its parent rocks. Formation. How is laterite soil formed? Laterite soil is formed by leaching of lateritic rocks under condition of a high temperature and heavy rainfall with alternating dry and wet seasons. Now, what did I say? That laterite soil is formed by leaching. Now, the question is that what do you mean by this word leaching? Leaching is the process by which nutrients which are present in the soil like lime and silica, they get dissolved in water and they percolate down the soil profile, okay, during heavy rain. As a result, the topsoil is left only with heavy metals like the oxides of iron and aluminium, which makes the topsoil very infertile. So hence we come to the conclusion that laterite soil is not at all fertile. Why? Because of the process of leaching. Now, does it mean that laterite soil is not valuable in any way? Of course, laterite soil is also valuable. How? This type of soil is used for building material. Why? Because this type of soil can easily be cut with a spade, and when they are exposed to air, they hardens. Okay, they become as hard as iron. Now, where will you find laterite soil in India? Where will you find laterite soil in India? In India, you will find laterite soil in the summits. Summits means at the top of the mountains. In the summits of the western and the eastern Ghats, then in the Raj Mahal ranges, which are located in the Dumka district of eastern Jharkhand, then in the Vindhyas and in the Satpura ranges, in the Malwa plateau, and also in the summits of the Garo and Khasi hills in northeast India. Now let's do the characteristics of laterite soil. What are the characteristics of laterite soil? Laterite soil is infertile, means it's not fertile. Why? Because the essential minerals are leached due to heavy rainfall. Second characteristic is that laterite soil is poor in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus and lime. Why? Because they get easily dissolved in water. But laterite soil is rich in iron. Why? Because iron oxides don't get dissolved in water. And this is the reason that why in some areas laterite soil also looks red in color. Okay, because in those areas laterite soil is having high content of iron oxides. Laterite soil has a coarse texture, means very rough texture, and laterite soil is friable, means it can be easily broken down. Laterite soil is not fit for agriculture. Why? Because laterite soil is a highly acidic. Its pH value is less than 6 and it is acidic typically due to the presence of acidic components like aluminium and iron oxides. Next is that crops can be grown on laterite soil but only with the help of irrigation. Clear? So if you want to grow any crops on laterite soil, you need to provide with proper irrigation. Why? Because laterite soil is porous. Okay, it means porous means laterite soil allows water and air to pass through it. Secondly, laterite soil has poor retentive means a poor moisture retentive capacity. It means that laterite soil cannot hold more moisture. Okay. Now, what are the crops which can be best grown on laterite soil? It's cashew nut and tapioca. Tapioca means वो sabudana. Okay, so these are the crops which best grows in laterite soil. But yes, laterite soil means laterite soil is not suitable for growing wheat, barley, rye, pulses. But yes, with a proper irrigation and proper use of fertilizers, crops like tea, coffee, rubber, cinchona, coconut, etc., it can be grown. Okay, this all can be grown. And in the low-lying areas, laterite soil also supports the growth of rice. So here we have completed the explanation of laterite soil. In my next video, I shall cover up soil erosion. So keep watching JEET classes, and if you find it useful, then don't forget to subscribe it. See you very soon. Till then, goodbye.